Dear children, continues of chapter number 3. Our next topic is Mauryan art. Stupa. First of all, they have to given about the meaning of stupa. Stup. An oval shape. Which kind of the shape is there? Stup or stupa. An oval shape to construction under which the remains of Lord Buddha's body were kept in a box is known as a stupa. What was the meaning of stupa? Stupa, it means in oval shape. Which kind of oval shape? Constructed under which the remain of the Lord Buddha body were kept in a box is known as a stupa. There are the five famous stupa of the King Ashoka's time. What they have to given that, dear children? They have to given that there are the how many five famous stupas of King Ashoka's time. Which one? Stupa of Sanchi, stupa of Sarnath, stupa of Berat, and stupa of Nandangada, and stupa of Devnimori in Gujarat. These all are the name of the five stupas were famous in the times of the King Ashoka. Besides, Chaityas, Vihara, Mutt were constructed. Beside that, there was also the construction of Chaityas, Vihara, and Mutt were constructed. The period of King Ashoka was the golden period of the prosperity of the Buddhist religion. Dear children, this is the most important thing. What they have to say that the period of King Ashoka was the golden period. So, in the board examination, there was asked the question that which period is known as a golden period? The period of King Ashoka was the golden period of prosperity for the Buddhist religion and the age of sculpture as well as the architecture. What they have to say that there was a prosperity for the Buddhist religion and age of sculpture as well as the architecture. Buddhist religion has gifted the caves, vihara, chaitya, and stupas to the field of the architecture. Now, dear children, what they have to say there? They have to say there the Buddhist religion have given the gift of caves, vihara, chaitya, stupa to the field of the architecture. Now, out of them, first of all, we have to learn about the stupa of the Sanchi. Which one? Stupa of Sanchi. Now, the Sanchi Stupa was built during the Maurya period. Dear children, what they have to say there? They have to say that the Sanchi Stupa was built during which period? During the Maurya period. The Sanchi Stupa was built. It is situated at Madhya Pradesh. Where it is situated? Sanchi Stupa. Sanchi Stupa was situated at the MP, Madhya Pradesh. The original stupa of the Sanchi was made up of brick. Dear children, be careful. What they have to say that the whatever the original stupa is there, the original stupa of Sanchi was made up of brick. It was half in size compared to the present stupa. What they have to say that? They have to say that it was the half in size whenever you are compared with the present stupa. The Buddhist stupa is a precise specimen of the art and the architecture, and that's why we can say that whatever the present Buddhist stupa is one kind of the precise यानी जिसकी कीमत ज़्यादा है, बहुत कीमती, precise specimen of the art of architecture. So, dear children, now they have to given about the image of the Sanchi stupa. If you have to see this image of the Sanchi stupa, and already we know that if you have to only study for the Sanchi, then we can say that Sanchi is the Buddhist complex famous for its great stupa on hilltop and Sanchi town in Raizan district of the Madhya Pradesh in India, and that's why already they have to say that it is situated in the Madhya Pradesh. In Madhya Pradesh, in which district? In Raizan district. Now, dear children, they have to given about the linear sketches of stupa. Which one? Linear sketches of stupa. Then how the stupas are to be prepared. First of all, they have to given about the hermika. What they have to say that? They have to given about the hermika. Hermika is the one kind of the railing around the top of the oval shape. What they have to say that? The railing around the top of the oval shape stupa is called as hermika. Hermika, it means the railing around the top of the oval shape, it is called as hermika. Second one, they have to given about the medi. Meti, it means one kind of elevated circular path around the stupa. It means elevated circular path around the stupa is known as a meti, which is used for the pradakshina. This is used for the pradakshina purpose. After they have given about the pradakshina path. Which one? Pradakshina path. A slightly elevated circular path around the temple or a place of the worship is called as a pradakshina. What is the meaning of pradakshina? Pradakshina, it means one kind of the slightly elevated circular path. Which kind of the path is the circular path around the temple or place of worship is called as a pradakshina path. Pradakshina is done in such a way that place of worship is always to the right side. Now dear children, what they have to say? They have to say that whenever anyone doing the pradakshina is done in such a way that the place of the worship is always in the which side direction? In the right side. Last one they have to given about the toran. Toran means a gateway that is built on two high plains. That's why we can say that toran means a gateway that is built on how many? Two high pillars with a artistic horizontal beam on it. You know very well about the meaning of artistic. It means kalatma. The devotees use this toran as an entrance. Now devotees it means भक्त जो वहाँ पे दर्शन करने के लिए आते. The devotees use this toran as their entrance. So dear children, just you have to see the image. You have to see that image of stoop of the Sanchi. In this the image of stoop of Sanchi. Here this is the circular path of the Harmika. Here at the top level you have to see that this is the circular path of the Harmika. This is the path of the Toran whenever the entrance gate is there. This is the path of the Pradakshina path. This is the circular path. This is known as a Pradakshina path and this is known as a Medi. This already we have learned in the detail in linear sketches of stupa. Now next one dear children, they have to given about the pillar inscription. Dear children, you know very well about that pillar यानी जिसको हम क्या कहते हैं गुजराती में स्तंभ. And inscription it means शिलालेख. It means pillar inscription. Pillar it means स्तंभ. और स्तंभ के ऊपर जो लिखा होता है that is known as said as a pillar inscription. Stone inscription were made from single rock. Dear children, what they have to say? That they have to say that whenever the stone inscription, stone you know very well, stone it means pathar. Stone inscription were made from the single rock. Stone inscription carved out by the religious order of the Emperor Ashoka are the best specimen of engraving on the stones. What they have to say? That they have to say that the whatever the stone inscription is that it is stone यानी पत्थर के ऊपर जो शिलालेख है कोत्तर काम करके जो किया गया है. Whenever the stone inscription carved out by the religious order of the Emperor Ashoka is the best specimens of the engraving it means kotarnika on the stone. They were polished so well that they gleamed. They were so much polished so well they are the gleam it means shine, chamak, brightness, shine. Such pillars were erected in the Ambala. What they have to say? These kind of the pillars were erected it means constructed, bandhwama, erected in Ambala, Meerut, Allahabad, Sarnath, Loria near the Nandangad, Sanchi, Kashi, Patna and Bodhir Vrukshan near the Bodh Gyana. They were the carved in the Brahmi script. This all are the name of the such pillar were carved in which script? In the Brahmi script. Now dear children, they have to given the detail of the pillar at Sarnath. What they have to given that? Pillar at Sarnath. The stone inscription at Sarnath is the best specimen of the sculpture. Dear children, what they have to given that? They have to given that the stone inscription at Sarnath is the best specimen of the sculpture. This is the best specimen of our sculpture. The pillar has the four lion facing the four direction. Dear children, what happened that this pillar has the how many lion? Four lion, and four lion have a four direction. Sarnath preaching place of the Lord Buddha, Dharma Chakra are carved below the lion image. What they have to say that? They have to say that at the Sarnath preaching place of the Lord Buddha, Dharma Chakra are carved below the lion image. These chakra indicate the triumph of the religion. What they have to say that? These chakra indicate the triumph. What was the meaning of triumph? Triumph, it means vijay, vijeta. It means they indicate the triumph of the religion. That is why it is called as a dharma chakra, and that's why it is called as a dharma chakra. Apart from this, it is the sculpture of elephant, horse and bullock. Apart from that, you have to find out the sculpture of elephant, horse and bullock. These chakra have been placed in the national flag of the Republic India. Dear children, this is the most important thing. That's why we can say that this chakra has been placed in the national flag of the Republic of India. Image of four lion have been placed as our four national emblem. It means the image of the four lion have been placed as our national emblem, and that's why this is considered to be one of the best specimen of our sculpture, and that's why we can say that this is the best specimen of our sculpture. And you know very well about the meaning of sculpture. Already we are learning previous one. Sculpture, it means silpakruti in the world level, and this is the most important question for the board examination. Pillar at Sarnath. Dear children, this is the image of the lion image at Sarnath. If you to see, then presently where it is located? Presently at the Sarnath museum in the Uttar Pradesh it is located. Second thing, it is the top of Ashoka's pillar. It is the top of the Ashoka's pillar, and the actual Sarnath capital features is a four Asiatic lion standing back, symbolizing the four things. Which are they symbolizing? Four things. One is a power, second one is a courage, third one is a confidence, and fourth one is a pride. I am repeating. What the four Asiatic lions standing back at symbolizing? That four Asiatic lions standing back at symbolizing four things. One is a power, courage, confidence, pride, mounted on a circle basis. At the bottom level is a horse and a bull, and at its center is a wheel, and that the center of the wheel we can say that it is known as a dharma chakra. Now next one, dear children, they have given about the stone inscription. Inscription, you know very well about the meaning of the inscription. Inscription, it means शिला लेख, जिसे हम क्या कहते हैं? कोत्रे लेख. In stone, stone it means पत्थर. Stone inscription carved by religious order of the Emperor Ashoka are the best specimen of engraving on the stone. Dear children, you know very well that in pillar inscription already we learned that the stone inscription carved by the religious order of the Emperor Ashoka are the best specimen of engraving on the stone. Wooden art. Now dear children, they have to given in detail that here wooden art, stone sculpting. Sculpting, it means you know very well. Sculpting, it means murtikara. Show an excellent specimen of art of the architecture, and that's why they show the excellent specimen of art of the architecture. Along with the erection of pillar of the wood and stone, beautiful arches are engraved on the door which stresses the religious behavior. What they have to say that, dear children? They have to say that whatever the things are engraving यानी जो कोतर काम है, that should be on the excellent specimen of the art as well as architecture. With the erection it means erect यानी उत्थान स्थान है. of pillar of the wood and stone are so much beautiful arches are engraven are engraved. Engraved it means kotarna. Engraved on the door, which stresses the religious behavior, that show the behavior of our religious. Such stone inscription have been found from Peshawar, Dehradun, Thane, Mumbai, Dholi, Jagwada, Odisha and Chennai. These all are the name of the places where this kind of the stone inscription we are finding. Such a type of stone inscription have been found from the foothill of Girnar mountain. Dear children, what they have to say then? Such a type of stone inscription have been found from the foothill of the Girnar mountain on the way of Junagadh in Gujarat. Other than this, Palitana Jain temple on Shatrunjay mountain in Gujarat. Dear children, be careful. What? Palitana Jain temple on Shatrunjay mountain in Gujarat. Jain temple in 1847. Oh, Athi Singh in Ahmedabad are such stone inscription which provide a complete information in Sanskrit and Gujarati language. What they have to say that this kind of the stone inscription which provide a complete information in Sanskrit and Gujarati languages.